Hey guys, in today's video I'll be sharing my favorite Mac keyboard shortcuts. But before we get started, I would like to let you guys know that there are almost infinite shortcuts that we can use, and it's almost impossible to add all of them in only one video, so please let me know down below in the comments if you want me to make a second video about keyboard shortcuts. So here I have a document from Google Docs open, and if I want, I can select a part of my text and click Command C to copy and Command V to paste it. Now, if you click Command X, you can cut a part of your text and paste it in another place. So for example, Command X and Command V to paste it. So you see that the text that was here moved to another part of my document. Now to undo something, you can press Command Z and Command Shift C to redo. So I'm gonna click Command Z again just to go back to the way that the text was in the beginning. And another shortcut that I use all the time is Command A, that allows you to select all items in a folder or all text in a document. So for example, if I want to select all this text and paste it in a different document, I can simply click Command A and then click Command C to copy this text, go to my new document and click Command V. So basically everything that was in the previous document is pasted in the new document. Here on Safari, another incredibly useful shortcut is the Command T to open a new tab. This ends up being a lot faster than clicking to open a new tab with the mouse and then typing where you want to go. So if I click Command T, I can basically just start typing. So let's type Apple and hit enter, that I can go to Apple's website. Now, if you need to look up words in a document or page, you can press Command F and type the word you need. So let's say I'm taking a look into the iPhone 11 Pro, I'm learning more about it, and I want to know more about the specs. I can simply click Command F and type camera if I want to know more about the camera, hit enter. That all mentions of the word camera are highlighted. It's a lot faster than scrolling to find all the information, especially when we're looking for something in a very long document. Another useful shortcut to use in documents is Command P to print. So let's open the document that we were working on before and click Command P to print. The print window already opens up, so the only thing you have to do is press enter to print your document. If you need to change any configuration, you can quickly change it and then hit enter. And to close applications or tabs, you can press Command W or Command Q. So if I want to close this document that we were working on, for example, I can basically click Command W. However, if I want to quit Safari, I can click Command Q. Still talking about applications, press and hold Command Tab to alternate between open apps. So for example, if I want to go to calendar, I can basically click and tab until I hit calendar and then release. And if I press Command Tab without holding, I can switch between the next most recently used app among open apps. Now to take a full page screenshot, you can press Command Shift 3 and press Command Shift 4 to caption a portion of the screen. So you will see that this cursor appears, and then the only thing you have to do is select the portion of the display that you want to do the screenshot and release. Now, another extremely useful shortcut, in my opinion, is Command Comma. Many people don't know about this, but you can use it to open preferences for the front app. So you can open the preferences for the app that you're currently using. So here on Safari, for example, if I click Command Comma, the Safari preferences page is gonna open. If I'm using Todoist and I click Command Comma, Todoist preferences are going to pop up. On Finder, you can press Command Shift N to create a new folder. And in case you want to duplicate that folder, you can click Command D. Now let's say that we want to delete this folder. If the folder is selected, you can quickly delete it by clicking Command Delete. And if you press Command Shift Delete, you can empty the trash. You will see that this window will pop up, and the only thing you have to do is click here to empty trash or hit enter. Now, if you want to zoom in or out, you can simply press Command plus sign or minus sign. So let's say if I click Command plus here, I can zoom into this document. And if I click Command -sign, I can zoom out. And finally, if you press Command Space, you can launch the Spotlight and search for anything you need on your Mac, like notes, emails, applications, whatever you need. So for example, if I want to open the calculator, I can simply type calculator and hit enter, that it will open for me. And that's it for today, you guys. These are my favorite Mac keyboard shortcuts. Don't forget to let me know down below in the comments if you want me to shoot the second part of this video so I can show you more complex shortcuts. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time.